Ready? He said we've been ready for a fucking week. Is my top box shut, Nick?
It is. Is your rear camera on? Did you do? Yeah, it is. It's running.
Recording?
It is recording.
Right, we won't go down that way because there's more than likely speeding cars coming up. Fuel lodge.
Fucking petrol, for fuck's sake.
Why'd you fucking get out of here then?
I don't know, follow the signs.
Where's it? It normally says fucking exit.
Yeah.
There you go, here look. Ah, they finally learnt to spell the word exit.
Yeah.
O-U-T.
Oh look, Steve will be fucking getting a boner now,
yeah.
Look.
Hang on, I so will you. I see Gunty's on the line.
This brand new tyre should be scrubbed in by now.
Yeah, you'll be alright. You've just missed that turning, Nige. Yeah, so we've got to go all the way around. Have
What?
we? Oh no.
Oh, you go this way. Look, fucking
Oh, no.
speed camera there, look.
Yeah. That's alright, I stand corrected. Running over the bridge.
Here we are at the bridge.
Right, here comes the wind. There you go, look.
Yeah.
There's the new one.
Yeah.
Here we go again. It's a tongue when you go past the bloody uprights, isn't it?
A moderately stiff breeze.
When you get to the other side, Joe, you'll start talking Welsh. You will. You got no control over it.
Used to have a ferry across one time, didn't it?
Is this where I see a Lobo bag go whoosh over into the river?
Whoosh. Yeah. I think it's a life raft floating down the river.
But at least it's waterproof.
Yeah, I've definitely got a bit of a lean on.
Definitely, yeah. You get a little bit of respite when you go past the uprights, don't you? But if Nige loses his bag, we'll just ring Steve next to the rider and he can pick it up on Peyton Seafront, can he? And then back into the wind again.
There you go, look. I just pulled out to overtake this car.
And now
And
he's
they put
speeding
their
up.
foot down. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like they, you're overtaking me.
Yeah, it drives me fucking crazy, that does.
We want to come off there.
Yeah. Yeah, we did.
We wanted that. That's because I was getting pissy with that fucking Astra.
Excellent.
Well, we should have gone off there. And I was getting angry with an Astra for speeding up as I was going to overtake it. Unbelievable, isn't they?
Yeah. However, what is very believable is that already
We've missed a turn.
we missed a turn. We have 30 satellites, navigation, moving maps, a line to follow, directions, and we still miss the turning. Wait, next junction, 30 miles away.
It probably is.
Mine's saying nothing. I don't know, wanker.
We've got technical trouble with the remote control.
Of course. Yeah, but somewhere, someone's telly's going off and on.
And it's fucking started already. I bet it's connected to my camera at the rear. I bet it's connected to my rear camera and I'm turning it on and off like a yo-yo.
Yeah. But
Is it flashing red?
Yeah, it's still blinking.
Oh, that's all right.
It is. It's merging us onto the M4.
Well, what about if we go
Or the
straight
M5?
on? What about if we go straight on?
Well, we can't.
Oh, fuck me. All we want to do is come off.
By the time we get there, Nigel's going to have flat spots on his tyres.
Fucking Newport. We don't want to go to fucking Newport.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm just looking. There's a junction in there, and we should be able to cut across then.
It's a bit worrying. We fucked it up already.
Yeah, fucked it up already. See, fucking assholes, when you're going to overtake them and they fucking speed up. Bastard.
Yeah.
Right, let's come off this fucking junction.
And then we'll miss the junction going back. See, he really does need shepherding like a pig, doesn't he? Now who fucking knows what he's gonna do?
Well, if we can, we will. And then we'll go back to that junction where we should have turned off.
What, 15 miles away?
Oh, fucking love it.
Joe's gonna want to fill up again at this rate.
Yeah.
Fucking petrol, for fuck's sake.
Oh, fucking hell. I'm going to find out where that fucking Astra lives. Fucking bastard. Fucking getting angry at every fucking road user and miss all your fucking turnings.
Yeah.
Let's go back down that way.
I bet he's the one that leaves all the dislikes on your videos. You sort of fucking got him at last.
Let's go down here, shall we?
Should we go on to the M4?
Yeah. Look, there's a green line over there. Anyone would think we'd come up that way. Anyway, I'm going to have lots of 360 footage of the M4.
You will.
Because I can't reach the fucking button.
Now I've got to ask the question, why did you put it on the swivel stick instead of on the handlebar mount? Because they're at the same height.
Yes, but it gives a better view when it's further away.
Does it?
Yeah. Yeah, if it was here, I could have turned it off.
You know, how does anybody read? How does anybody read those signs?
Oh, the ones written in gobbledygook.
Yeah, all I saw was diff daft chlamydia.
Fucking petrol, for fuck's sake.
Yeah. Fuel, for fuck's sake. Petrol, for fuck's sake. On a positive note, Stegra ain't going wrong yet.
No, it hasn't.
I need to look at the maps though every day and make sure that reroute is ticked.
I should try looking at the map while you're riding as well.
Yeah, just leave it at that. Try looking at the map.
He does know where he's going.
I do, but I get distracted very easily.
Can you imagine being a patient in the back of his ambulance?
Yeah, fucking Astra. Right, he's getting it. What's that say? David. I got I got Cocoda Moles fit at 30 and 500s.
I've got Cocodamals, effervescent. I've got some old Zapane, which is 30 milligram codeine. I've got some of her gabapentin. Vagisil. I've got ibuprofen. I've got diclofenac gel.
Fucking hell.
It's like an ibuprofen. Diclofenac.
Vagisil, it's for your Vagisil's for your Joe. He's behind me.
Yeah, mine itches like hell.
Right, keep an eye on the fucking map, you. Ignore them wankers.
I mean, as we're in Wales, not only are you a GS one, you're an English GS wanker.
It is. Road ahead closed. So we're going to get fucking diverted, aren't we? Let's hope it's the fucker to the left that's closed. No, it's the fucking racecourse road.
Still, it's what I've been looking forward to. My bike loaded up to the gunnels and having to do a tight 3-point turn up a hill.
That's alright, I've got a ball and chain in my top box.
It probably was last week, though, in Wales.
There you go, Joe. You thought I was joking when I said it would be 20. Right, shall we stop there?
If you like. Stop where? What, on this hill?
Up on the pavement. Where it says no parking.
Yeah.
Headloo, yeah, that's for police.
Oh, yeah?